Hello guys, welcome to Trending to Friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video I will be showing you a product which is a spatula basically, right? I don't know whether it's called a spatula here in IKEA. It basically, the product name is uh, RORT, RORT. This is a spoon, guys. Whenever I used to cook food for a longer time using the steel spoon, I used to get a lot of heat on my palm, as well as you will see your palm will be rough because of you will be using in Indian household. You know that how masalas are being cooked, right? It is definitely take longer time to cook, and your hand will be little hot, as well as your hand will be, it might get some maybe hurt, right? So this product which I found in IKEA, it's basically made up of hard wood, and the product called as RORT, and it's a spoon, guys. The measurement length is 31 centimeter here, and it is made in China. Okay, and RORT is basically a good quality of spoon, guys. You can see this one, the quality of the spoon is really good, and this is little thicker, guys. Okay, don't think that it is thin. Okay, it is quite thick, and you can use it on a daily basis. Even this you can use it while cooking masala based food, maybe cooking chicken. And also this has a little maybe you can see this texture or the design, right? It can hold up little bit of gravy as well. So this seems to be a perfect household or perfect kitchen item for an Indian household, so I believe. And the price that I paid for this one is, guys, around $2, not even $2, 1.8 or $1.9, around 139 or 140 rupees. You can use this barcode, which you can scan it on your IKEA application to check the product and product details as well. And I will be using it going forward for any of my cooking masala related item, because this will not get heat, as well as you will not get hurt on your hands. Okay, and I hope that this item could have been little longer, so that we could have been using, we can use it on the little higher base item, or maybe on the big pressure cooker or something. Maybe this, but this seems to be fine, I believe. But even if it would have been little bigger, then it would have been better. So this is the item, guys, I will be using, and purchase link will be there in the description section. You can check and purchase for 143 rupees. This seems to be a very good deal. I checked in Amazon and Flipkart. I could not find anything like this, or like this texture, or like this finish in Amazon or Flipkart. I ordered multiple items, but end of the day I went to IKEA and purchased this item. Okay, so this is a must-have household item in your kitchen. Do purchase this whenever you visit IKEA. Guys, I hope this content is helpful and this product is useful. Subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you, and thanks for watching.